Scars. They tell stories of accidents, surgeries, or even the wild adventures of our childhood. But while those stories may fade in our memories, the marks they leave on our skin can linger for years, sometimes a lifetime. So, what's really happening beneath the surface? Why do some scars vanish almost entirely, while others seem to never go away? Let's dive into the fascinating world of scar healing. When your skin gets injured, it immediately springs into action. The body rushes to close the wound as fast as possible to avoid infection. It's like a construction site, and your skin cells are the workers, laying down collagen, the building blocks of skin, to patch things up. But unlike regular skin, this new tissue is different. It's not as flexible, not as smooth. And that's how scars form. In the early stages, a fresh scar might look red, raised, or even a little itchy. This is completely normal. It's your body saying, "I'm still healing." Over the next few weeks, this scar tissue begins to remodel. Collagen fibers realign, and blood flow to the area decreases. Gradually, that angry red or purple color starts to fade. Now, here's where things get interesting. How long this process takes depends on several factors, like your age, the depth of the wound, and even your genetics. For some, scars may begin to significantly fade within a few months. For others, it can take a year or more. But here's the good news. Recent research has revealed ways to help your scars heal better and faster. Applying silicone gel or sheets, for instance, can lock in moisture and prevent excessive collagen buildup, helping scars flatten and lighten. Vitamin E oil has been widely debated, but some newer studies suggest it may aid healing when used correctly, though interestingly, in some cases, it can cause irritation. So always patch test first. Another game changer is laser therapy. This advanced treatment has shown remarkable results in reducing the appearance of scars, even years after they've formed. By targeting the damaged tissue with concentrated light, lasers stimulate the skin's natural healing process, encouraging smoother, more even skin. But what can you do at home? One bonus tip: hydration. Keeping your skin moisturized doesn't just make it look healthier, it's essential for scar healing. Dry scars tend to itch and crack, which can worsen their appearance over time. Using products like cocoa butter, or even aloe vera, can keep the area soft and promote better healing. Now you might be wondering, how long until my scar is gone? The truth is, scars never fully disappear, but they can fade to the point where they're barely noticeable. For some, this happens within 6 months to a year. For deeper scars, like those from surgery or severe acne, it might take longer. But don't lose hope. Today, we have more tools than ever to help scars fade. Whether it's through at-home remedies or professional treatments, the key is consistency. Be patient with your body, and remember, every scar has a story, but with the right care, those stories don't have to stay written on your skin forever. So if you're looking to speed up the healing process, start today. Keep the area moisturized, consider silicone gels, and if needed, talk to a dermatologist about advanced treatments. Your skin is resilient, it just needs the right support to heal beautifully.